students. Have a nice day. Okay. Last class we have discussed about the grammar part of the previous topic. Then today we are going to discuss a story, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. You know, this is an imaginating story. It's a fiction. Okay. This is about the situation or the imaginating situation of educational system. Means nowadays the schooling system means the students are coming to the school. They have buildings, teachers and all facilities to teach, to study, to learn. But in this story, author shows that the situation that there is no building, there is the machines, means virtual classrooms. This story, I think, most related to nowadays. Now they have created virtual classrooms, but in this scenario, in nowadays, in this present situations, also the teachers have conducting the classes, isn't it? But in this story, there is no teachers, robots, and e-books. Some things are there. You know, Isaac Asimov is expressing the story. The main character of this story is Tommy and Margie. Two characters are there, Tommy and Margie. Okay. Before entering to the topic, we can go through the profile of the author. Isaac Asimov was born on 2nd January 1920 in Petrovichi, Russia. He migrated to the USA with his family and earned a PhD in biochemistry in 1948. However, as a child, Asimov was fascinated by science fiction magazines and started writing his own stories by the age of 11. He started to writing the story, the fictions, science fictions, when he was 11. He matured into an accomplished writer of science fiction. His story, Nightfall, was described as one of the best science fiction stories ever written. Classics like I, Robot and the Foundation series firmly established his reputation. Stories inspires Hollywood films like I, Robot, starring Will Smith, and Bicentennial Man, starring Robin Williams. Asimov wrote more than 500 books. He wrote more than 500 books, including non-sci-fi, mysteries and fantasy story, along with others on topic like the human body, the Bible and his own autobiography. Although he wrote about space travel, he hated flying and preferred to travel on cruise ships, where he entertained passengers as an expert public speaker. Okay. Then this is a short profile about the author Isaac Asimov. We can go through the story. This is the situation here. You know, Maggie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed May 17 to 21st 57. You know, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." In this diary, he wrote the situation of 21st 57. You know, now 2020, but 21st 57, that year he guessing or he imagining, he thinking about the situation of coming or the future, the situation of educational situation of the future. The date 21st 57. Then she wrote, Maggie wrote that today Tommy found a real book. Here real book means printed book, but in this year means now not, this year means 21st 57, there is no printed textbooks, only e-books. They can search or they can sit in front of the computer or other devices and they can read, they can study, they can research, they can read anything, whatever may be. There is no printed books, there is no printed records. But here Maggie said that Tommy got a real book. What is the real book? Found a real book means printed book. Okay. It was a very old book. Maggie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Maggie said that his grandfather, who's her grandfather, Maggie's grandfather said her, Maggie's that his grandfather, whose grandfather's grandfather, their time means grandfather's grandfather got everything as printed one. Okay, in his age or in his situation, in his time, everything he got printed one. No, all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Means, they try to read that book. They are reading, but this page is very ugly. It's very crushed, very ugly, crushed, yellow. It's it is old books, You just think very oldest book. What can be seen? Its pages. It's white color. No, its color is changed. If you get any old book, you just take and read it. What kind of pages are there? What the words, pages, and the cover page, everything will be collapsed. No. Okay. Then they are awfully funny. They are puzzled. They are funny. What the words are still that cannot move. But in this situation, what kind of the situation? What the specialty of the situation? There is no printed book. They are scrolling or moving text. They are seeing from where in the device, in the computer. When we are reading in the computer, that words are moving. Likewise, these words do not move. That still instead of moving. Then here two books are here in this paragraph comparing two books, printed books and e-book. Printed books that cannot move alone, but e-book can move the words alone. Jane, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it is good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Oh, what a waste it. Which one? Printed books are waste, but the television or the computer, there are millions of books. That is very useful. That will not, I will not throw away. But this printed book you just throw away. That is very waste. A waste one. You know. Okay. Same the mind, said Margie. Margie also agreed. She was 11. Oh, Margie was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, where did you find it? You know, Margie, 11 years old, he didn't get such books. Who got, Tommy got this kind of printed book, you know. That kinds of book didn't get to Margie. So, Margie's age 11 and Tommy 13. So, he is more than older than Margie, you know. So, he got some books, some printed books, but Margie didn't get. Then she asked that, where did you find it? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. Then he got the book. Attic means storage. You know, storage room. Then in the house there is a storage room. From there he got this old book. And then he didn't look her place. He is busy with reading, and he said that that is from the storage of my house. Then she again asked, what's it about? What is this book? What is the language, or what is the subject? Written? What about? Then school. Margie was puzzled. School. What's there to write about school? I hate school. Then school. Oh, I hated school. What is this? What are the things are there to write about this school? I hate it. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. But here Margie hated which type of school, you know, that virtual classroom. There is a mechanical teacher, you know, mechanical teacher, machine or computer or something, or devices. That devices teaching the Margie, but he disliked it. Really, she does not dislike the real school, you know. Then after that machine or that mechanical teacher giving that tasks, test by test, geography, and she disliked it. After that, the mother finally sent it to a mechanical inspector, or county inspector means a mechanic, to repair it, something problem have faced, like that. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had a hope he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew All right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the mark in no time. The operator came. Then he prepared it. But Maji thought that she did not complete or she did not put together again. It means after completing his task, whose repairment, everything will remove from this machine. He didn't see. He can't see anything the later lessons. But unfortunately, what happened, after completing his task or repairing the lessons, all lessons come in the big screen, and he want to do his work. He want to complete his paper. He want to write his paper. There is punch code means a mechanical language or computing language. He want to write his homework and everything in the special language, computing language, in the space, the slot, and mechanical, after that mechanical teacher or the computer calculate the mark and give her. So what mark she had scored. Okay, then the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Maggie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Miss Jones. I think the geography sector was graded a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Maggie's head again. Then the operator patted her head and said to her mother that this is not her problem. It is not little girl's fault, Miss Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Okay. Then he said that I cleared something. I cleared everything, and again he patted her head and went out. Then Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So Margie was disappointed. But she had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Then Tommy's teacher have come altogether means that Tommy's machines have everything cleaned. After this operating, he thought that everything will be clean. But unfortunately, everything is there. But Tommy's teacher altogether and everything have cleaned here had blanked out completely means the history sector had everything had removed. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about the school?" Then so she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school. Stupid. This is to all kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. he added loftily, pronouncing the words carefully. Centuries ago. Tommy said that these schools, which one? The printed notes are there, printed books are there. That's the story, or that's the books about the school. That school not kind of our schools. That is centuries years ago. Before years, 100 years ago, there is a school. That school are defined or described in this printed book. Tommy said. And he was hurt his pain is something. No. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Then Maji said that, I don't know about that school. What kind of schools are there? Any teacher will be there? Tommy said, sure, there is a teacher, but there is no mechanical teacher. There is no machine. There is a man. Take next page, 54. A man, how could a man be a teacher? She asked. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Oh, they are giving something, they are teaching, they are giving homeworks, they are giving tasks. No. Then clear their doubts, everything will be there. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is my father, knows as much as my teacher. A man can't know as much as a teacher. Then again, Maji argued that, a man cannot become a teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha means I sure. He knows everything. Maji wasn't prepared a dispute. Then Maji was not prepared to disagree. Dispute means disagree that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. She said that, no, I don't want a strange man to teach me in my house. Okay. Tommy screamed with regular, you don't know much, Maji. The teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kinds were there. Maggie, you are misunderstood. The teacher will not live in your home. Then, there have a building. Means, nowadays, the school's buildings are there. Likewise, there is a building. There is a equipments and everything. The students want to go there and sit together. The teacher will teach. No. And all the kinds learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age, then she asked, everybody are sitting together in the class or in the same place? Yes. If the age is same, they are sit together. Means the class, each classes is there, Nowadays what situations are going on, what facilities are going on, what arrangements are going on, likewise. Okay. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kind has to be taught differently. The teacher can identify the ability and the capacity of each and all, and the teacher can overcome the difficulties of the students who are in front of him or her. Then he can assist, he or she can assist, the teacher can assist, help to overcome their the difficulties, So my mother said that just the same they did not do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Then just the same, they didn't do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. If you have not interested, you don't want to read this book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Maji said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Oh, Maji said that, no, I didn't tell it like that. I didn't dislike this book. Oh, I wonder. I eagerly waiting for that book. I want to know. I want to understand that funny school. They weren't even half finished when Maggie's mother called, Maggie, close that book. Time for school. Maggie looked up. Then Maggie was reading that book. Half was finished, and then her mother called, oh Maggie, come here. Your time is over. This is the time of your school. What time? Now 10 o'clock or our online class, which time we are going to start, at the time our mother or father, oh boy, come here, this is the time of your class. Yes, come here and sit here. Look the TV, look the mobile, take the mobile and watch your class, complete your task, everything. Now we can immediately remember what. Likewise, her mother called her to sit in front of the machinery to learn. Oh, no. Not yet, Mama. Not. Now, said Miss Jones, this very minute, and it is probably time for Tommy too. Maji said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? After school you can read this book. Maybe, he said. Oh, Tommy said. He walked away, whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Then he walked away. Maji went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girl learned better if they learned at regular hours. Then near of her bedroom there is a classroom. Then classroom or school room. Then he come and sit in front of the mechanical teacher, and mechanical teacher is waiting there. Mechanical teacher means is here robot or something, whatever may be. Then mother said to her that no, anybody can't reach, can't get, can't overcome or can learn without learn in a proper time. Means you should focus, you should study same time each and every day. She had been getting the class except Saturday and Sunday. Every day he got the classes except Saturday and Sunday. So her mother said to her that each and every day you should sit, you should utilize the same time to time for your schooling, your learning. Then the screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Then today's mathematics, arithmetic, then the addition of proper fractions in addition, today's lesson. Then she want to write the space for yesterday's homework. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Proper slot means the proper space. You want to enter it, you want to write it. Margie did so with a sigh and a tear in her eyes. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kinds from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things, so they could help one another on the homework and talk about it. Then this time Maji thinks about the old schools. Oh, what a beautiful, oh, what a useful schools are there. My grandfather's grandfather was young. He had gone to the schools. Each and every students are coming together and sitting together in the classroom. Teachers are coming, is teaching the same thing. They are learning. Oh, they are studying, and if they have got the homework, they can help together each and everyone, and they can complete. They can come back to the home after completing their, after finished the day or end of the day. You know, oh, what a beautiful schools, Maji thinks. And the teacher were pupil. And one more thing also, the teacher were pupil. This kind of mechanical teacher not. That is a man. That is a pupil. That is a human being. Oh, we can ask everything. They can help us. They can give everything. You know, teacher can overcome everything. Teacher can help. Teacher can assist. Oh, what a beautiful, what a puzzled, what a useful schools. Oh, she thought. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. Mechanical teacher only flashing on the screen. Oh, when we add the fraction half and 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Just flashing the screen on the screen only. The adding, the fraction 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 4. That's all. Maji was thinking about how the kinds must have loved in it the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Maji was thinking about how the kinds must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. You know, here the fun, you know, the schools. You know, the past or years ago there is a school that is fun they had. So she thinking about the schools. Okay. The topic, the lesson, the fun they had is completed. Written by Isaac Asimov. Main character is Margie and Tommy. They got the printed books and they are reading. Then Margie asked her what about this book. Then school. Oh, school I hated. But the real school not. Margie have a school, but a mechanical teacher have been teaching her. No. Then they are discussing about the book, and after that Margie understood that what kind of schools are there. Okay, then last one, in the end of the story, he thinking about the old days. That is fun they had. Okay, I hope you got me, you get me. You can follow me. If you have any doubt, do you want any clarification, you can ask. Okay, shall we wind up the class? Thank you.